Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today we are finally decorating the house for fall. I want to spend the day decorating, changing some things, tweaking some of my decor, adding some new decor to make it feel ready for the season. We will be decorating for Christmas soon, but I want to sneak in some fall decor before we get there. If you guys have been following along on my channel, you know I've been shopping around at a few places, picking up some new fall decor. So today we're finally putting it into use and decorating the house. So I hope this video gives you some decorating ideas that you can use in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and get decorating. I like to start my fall decor right when you walk through the door and really set the tone for the rest of the home. So I'm cleaning the area up. I always have shoes laying around here, but I usually just hide them away in this cabinet. This is my IKEA Kallax cabinet that I transformed into this beautiful piece. It's been one of my favorite projects in the house and it's worked so well. I'll leave the video linked down below on how to create that. But first thing we're going to be doing is adding a new front door rug. I like to change up my front door rug almost every season. It just helps refresh this little space. So I found this gorgeous rug from Target. It was the perfect size. I love this classic simple pattern and the color just works perfectly. It really brings in that deeper tone that I want to introduce throughout the rest of the house. I like changing existing pieces around my home for the season, so small art pieces are a very easy change you can make. I found this pretty landscape piece on Amazon. It's vintage inspired, it has the changing leaves in it, and again, it introduces those fall colors into this small space. I'll have all of these new fall pieces linked down below in the description box. Now this front cabinet needs some refreshing. It's still stuck in the spring look with greenery and florals and old candles, so I'm swapping out all of these existing elements for a new fresh fall look. This is one of the easiest ways of integrating a new color and feeling into your home. Swapping out any florals for a new fresh color palette really gives you that sense of the season changing. So if you have any real florals or real stems from your backyard, absolutely use that. It would make for a free way of decorating your home. Now I'm swapping out some decorative pieces. This is a storage pumpkin. You can hide your keys and any small pieces away in it, and it also acts as a nice decorative piece, and of course a pumpkin candle to refresh the space. I also love having a room spray by the front door. Just if anyone's coming over last minute, I can spray the area and it smells fresh and clean. I hide it away in my front cabinet, and there we have a new fresh look in the front entryway. I love days like this, just enjoying the time decorating the house, listening to an audiobook or podcast. I am currently listening to Establishing Home by Jean Stouffer on Audible. I love Audible and I'm so excited that they are sponsoring this video. I have been loving listening to this audiobook. It really inspires me. Jean Stouffer gives so many takeaways, decorating advice, business advice, and it is so incredible to listen to, especially when you're decorating. As an Audible member, you can choose one title a month to keep from the entire catalog. Members also get full access to a growing selection of included audiobooks, Audible originals, and podcasts. You can download included titles all you want. There's so much to choose from. The Audible app makes it so easy for you to just listen anywhere, no matter what you're doing. You can just pause and restart whenever you need. Audible offers such a great selection of audiobooks across every single genre. They have bestsellers, new releases, celebrity memoirs, business, wellness, motivation. There's so many options. New members can get a free trial of Audible. Visit audible.com/KristenM or text KristenM to 500 for a free Audible trial. I like to keep my core decor pieces on my coffee table, like my potted plant, my books, and my tray, and I add to it with large candles and pumpkin decor. I like to mix some colors but stay within the same home color palette, so you'll notice I have a lot of muted orange, rust, blues, deep burgundies, and mixing those colors that I find in my art pieces around my home into fall decor really keeps everything looking cohesive. I find that pattern goes a long way when you're trying to make your home feel cozy. Adding extra patterns, mixing patterns around your home creates a collected feeling. So I'm bringing in a new pattern into my throw pillows here because they're looking a little simple. Swapping out your pillow covers is one of the easiest things you can do for switching up your decor and making your space feel new and different. So this is a great pillow cover that I found. I love the high contrast pattern. It's a vintage inspired floral pattern, and I think it's timeless. It's something that I can have out every single season, but I love the way it feels for fall. I like to create an asymmetrical look on my sofa. So each side of the sofa is a little bit different, but ties together nicely. So this side I have integrated a new throw blanket that's heavy and thick and brings in that warm feel, and using my existing pillows. Anywhere where I have a green potted plant, I swap it out for a dried floral or some kind of fall arrangement, and it makes such a big difference. I've also had this long art piece for a while that I didn't know where to put, and I'm sliding it across the piano, and I think it looks great here. I brightened it up with my thrifted piano light, and I think this little corner looks so cozy. Now, I usually have something large and substantial on my dining table because it's so long, we have such high ceilings in here. I like to do something a little large. So I'm swapping out my typical decor here with a pumpkin tablescape. I have a bunch of faux pumpkins in different colors, textures, and sizes, and I'm just laying them across the table in a kind of organic way. I love the way pumpkins look when they're all different sizes and flipped in different directions. And I'm finishing off this big vessel with a potted plant, something that fits inside of there that can bring in that warm tone out the top, and I love the way this looks. Now moving into my favorite room of the house, our newly finished family room. This is the coziest space already. We have so many textures and patterns and collected pieces. It feels like a cozy library, and the cats love it so much. They're always sleeping in here. So I'm just adding a few things here and there. Some pumpkins, new florals, just swapping out my existing pieces to create even more of a fall touch. So fall decorating does not have to be complicated. You don't need to change up your entire home. Use all of your existing elements and make little changes. I think they go such a long way, and it allows you to maintain your design style throughout your entire home. And lastly, the easiest way to make a stark kitchen look cozy is just adding a simple table lamp. I love having a table lamp on in the kitchen, especially in the evening. It just makes it feel warm and dim, and hiding the cord and the plug away behind an art piece. That just adds a nice decorative touch into your kitchen. You can lean it up against your backsplash, add a little pumpkin in there, and you have a cute little fall display. And just like that, we've created the feeling of a new season in our home. It is truly the best feeling when your home looks, feels, and smells like fall. It actually smells like an apple pie in here, and it is glorious. I absolutely love it. I love introducing these deeper tones, all of the patterns, and layering pumpkins throughout just to make it really playful. Let me know down below in the comments if you decorate your home for fall and what area of your home is your favorite place to decorate. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!